Okay, today I'd like to take you through the virtual machine of Reaper on the Vulnhub. And to save the time, I have already imported into the VirtualBox. And I have already done the identification of IP address, which is 254. And also, I have already completed the Nmap scanning. And from the result of scanning, we can know the target has 3 open ports, 22 for SSH, 80 for HTTP, and 10,000 for HTTP. And now, because the SSH is not vulnerable at this point, so we need to focus on the another 2 ports, just the default page of Apache 2. And we can check the source code of this page. Nothing useful. And we can check whether we can get the robots file. Not found. The requested URL was not found on this server. So we needed to make some enumeration for this port. I'd like to use the tool of Nikoto. Immediately, the Nikoto tells us the server, which is Apache, and also its version. Allowed HTTP methods. Nothing very useful for the purpose of penetration. And have already identified the file, the readme. Nothing useful. So we need to wait this to be completed. Okay, nothing very useful information we can get from Nikoto. Maybe we can do some directory scanning. Specify the word list. And also the extension we can specify also. Okay, at the same time we can have a look at the another port, which is 10,000. It says this web server is running in SSL mode. Try the URL instead. And here the host name. So we need to put this host into hosts file. Okay, let's do it. Go to our working directory and make editing for this hosts file. The target IP address and the host is Reaper -min. Reaper min. Okay, it's done, right and quick. We can confirm whether this is correct. Okay, I think it's fine. Now we can click this link. Accept the risk and continue. Okay, this is apparently we encounter webmin CMS. Also, from the nmap scanning, we can know the version. The version of the webmin is 1.910. So I think we can find out whether this service has vulnerabilities, and we can use search sprite webmin. Okay, the several vulnerabilities we can exploit, and according to this version of webmin and the Metasploit, the package updates remote command execution. But I think this is authenticated vulnerability. We need to first get the username and the password. Okay, we needed to do some emulation first for this 10,000 port. Okay, we can check the source code of this page. Nothing interesting here. And also we can check whether there is robots. Okay, amazing. Here is one string is encoded in base 64. We can decode we scan PHP codes with lips. So lips, we scan PHP codes with lips. We can do some research on the lips. So PHP code lips. Yeah, lips is a source code scanner that detects possible vulnerabilities in PHP code. Okay, so I think the target has lips running. Let's check it now. So maybe we can check whether this port has this directory. Yeah, we can know, yeah, this directory runs the lips. And apparently we can input the path or file to scan. So we can scan the scan files. Oh, here the lips has found out some files on the target, like main, like index, like help, also code. But here in the right side you can see there is a very suspicious file, which is a secret PHP. We can click. Yeah, we can know the username, RIP, and the password. Games people play. So maybe this credential can be used for the webmin login. So yeah, accept the risk and continue. So here username and the password we can copy and paste it here. Sign in. Oh, login failed. Please try again. So this credential is not used by the webadmin. So maybe this credential is used by SSH, right? So we can try it. SH. Here. Yeah, Reaper. And copy this one. Reaper. We needed to remove the cache. Yes. Yeah, not correct. Reaper. Yeah, we successfully log in as Reaper. We can make some local emulation. Yeah, we've got the first flag. Congratulations on getting user. Let's get root now. So yeah, maybe we can check the bash history file. Yeah, from this command we can know maybe this file has some useful information for us. So where is it? We can use a find command to search. Yeah, we have already located this file, and we can. Yeah, we got the another password. So I think. So who is the another user? Yeah, Coops. So we can switch to this user, Coops, and we can copy this password and paste here. Yeah, we switched to the Coops user, and we can find out whether there is sudo command we can utilize. No. So maybe we can Coops. Yeah, we can check the bash history again. A bit many commands history for the user Coops. Yeah, this command get my attention, mini-sir log, so we can find out where is this file. Name, specify the type, file or directory, and redirect the error to null. Now we locate this file on the file system, and we can cut the content of this file. Yeah, so this is a log file. Yeah, mini server started per module authentication. Yeah, here you can see session login, CGI, username and password. So I think this username and password is used by the webmin CMS. We can copy this password and try to log in to this CMS. Yeah, we successfully log in to this webmin portal. There's some functions like backup configuration files, webmin actions log, and also system boot up and shut down. I can do a lot of tasks. Servers, others. Yeah, can do the file manager. Yeah, so this one must have root privilege. You can see root can get the flag. But even here, you can see has terminal function. We can click. We can check the share privilege. Yeah, we are root user, and we get to the root directory. Yeah, we got the final flag, which is root flag. Yeah, congratulations, you have looted this box. Okay, great. Now we have already completed this virtual machine of Reaper on the Vulnhub. Thank you for your watching. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.